Oh my god. What are you doing? Oh. Oh.
Can you go downstairs? Hey!
Oh. Oh.
Oh no.
Oh no.
What else?
What you doing? Oh my god. Good girl. What is the mango?
Riot, do you want to get neutered?
Y posteriormente va a hacer una revisión en donde va a subir el olfato.
Hi Frankie, it's Daddy.
Look at those pretty eyes. Ooh. Can you guys sit?
Oh my goodness, you alright?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Hello, you sweet angel thing. Oh, you're so sweet.
Oh my god.
Wow, you're dramatic. Are you kidding? I'm using it.
Well, I really wanted this to go away. My mind, I can't find one.
Come on. Oh my god.
Show us how you go down the stairs.
Come down.
Snoopy! Come on! Come on! Whoa! 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 Whoa!
You just ate an entire chicken parm. A whole chicken. Do you have any idea what you've done? It was $20.
Did you do this? Hmm? Did you do this?
Ven y chilla.
Who did this mess? Cody, did you make this mess?
My goodness, look at that face.
Remy, what are these?
Did you eat all of your treats? Cooper?
Who did?
Who's Flip flop. Who's cuddling with my flip flop? Toby, is this you?
I just don't understand. This is crazy to me.
Bailey, did you finish Annalisa's breakfast this morning?
Who did this? Who did this?
Oh, Mom! That's what I thought.
Sam, what you doing? You got a hot dog, buddy? You look.
Excuse me, sweet angel. Hello.
Do so. High five. High five. Do so.
Like,
You're not hugging. Make him feel better, Coda. Oh, stinky baby.
Did you change your mind? Would you like to come inside?
Excuse me.
Officer, how you doing? Sir. Good to see you. Sir, how you doing? Sir, Mary, how you doing? Good to see you.
Come on, sweetie. You like the... Oh!
Chester, look at me. Run.
Kedua.
Breath in that.
La montura.
移动移动。
Okay, now that's enough.
马上，1、2、3、4、5、6。哎呦！
Oh my god!
Come on, you have to walk away. Oh my gosh!
That is so. He's gonna bite you, bro. He's gonna bite you, bro.
Evet aşkım, aferin.
Look, Penelope. Look, there is nobody out here. Nobody. Do you see that? Do you see that? Look over here. There's nobody. Look over here. There's nobody.
Don't you step on the flowers. It's Layla.
What do you think we should get from the store? Milk? Maybe some dog food? Probably some cocaine?
You see that?